We are here in the heart of the Medina in Fez at Mounadim Riyadh. It is a family-owned and operated business, and there are many rooms to choose from. This is one of the common areas that you can just chill out and relax and put your feet up. There is breakfast included, and they make you feel very welcome, like it's your own home. We are in one of the budget-friendly rooms. There are 2 single beds. You will share a toilet, but that means you have more money for shopping. We are here in one of the private rooms with the ensuite bathroom. It's a traditional Moroccan architecture and has heating and air conditioning because it does get quite hot in the summer and rather chilly in the winter months. It provides clean towels, soaps, and everything you need. So of all the common areas here at the Riyadh to hang out, the rooftop terrace is my favorite. On a less windy day, it's a perfect place to take your breakfast or have your dinner. I hope you come to Fez and check it out. Then you can experience this amazing view.